Hi, this is Divya Singh Sharma at Connaught Place Hanuman Mandir, and you can see the hustle and bustle here is about Haryali Teej that is there today, and everybody is getting mehendi on their hands. You can see. Haryali Teej is one of the most celebrated festivals of India. It is just like Karwa Chauth, but it is celebrated in Sawan. This one is also for Lord Shiva and Parvati, just like Hartalika Teej. The difference between Haryali Teej and Hartalika Teej is that Hartalika Teej is a very tough vrat, and the puja and all the celebrations go on for 3 days. Haryali Teej is basically for Sawan. The women dress up in greens, they wear green saris, suits, they wear green bangles, they apply mehendi a day prior or on the day of Haryali Teej. They participate in songs, traditional songs, and dancing, singing and dancing happens. And not to miss the Sawan ka jhula that happens on Haryali Teej. And married couples meet each other. They celebrate the function by spending in fun and frolic. And the Sawan ka jhula is the main attraction, and the green tradition and customs that they do is the main attraction. Mehendi being one of the primary things that women do for Haryali Teej. Let's look at the whole line till there where the festivities are happening. Come. As you can see, it's really busy here, and I think it will get busier by the night. And just like Karwa Chauth, everybody is going to be applying mehendi today. Even the unmarried girls, they also observe vrat on this day. Basically, this vrat is to get or aspire a life partner, a husband like Lord Shiva, for the unmarried woman. And for the married woman, it's for the long life, the longevity of their suhag, their life partners. And I think it's a very nice emotion, that goes with this festival. And India, that is Bharat, believes in this emotion. Just like a few days ago, there was a photo that was viral of actresses Pranita from the south celebrating a festival, similar festival in the south that is, I think, called
Bhimna Amavasya,
which is for the longevity of her husband. And the photos really went viral because something like that is not seen, for the new India. And to see such love and devotion even in today's time, it's great. I think New India should learn from it. I will tell you more on Hartalika Teej and Kajri Teej. There are 3 types of Teej: Hartalika, Haryali and Kajri. I will tell you more about that in our upcoming episodes and about Karwa Chauth too and all other Indian festivals. So stay tuned to New India Junction with Divya Singh Sharma. Thank you for watching. We wish all those who are celebrating a very happy Haryali Teej. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to New India Junction.